creating a really special environment here where students feel like they're part of something bigger than they are. We've got staff that absolutely go above and beyond to help students to understand and to feel passionate about what they do, to overachieve in their assignments.
And one of the things that we do particularly well here at the university is we take an active interest in the students as people, not as numbers. So we get to know them by name, we get to know their characteristics, and we work with them individually to get the very best out of them. We get onto a first name basis when they come here. It's each one has individual attention when it comes to things like assignments.
Here the campus is very great. There are lots of activities and a good atmosphere to be motivated to work, with a great library, for example.
Studying with us will add to your credibility and hopefully will enhance your job prospects when you return back to your home country. If you wish to study further at master's level, having a British-based degree will enable you to study at really well-known universities in your home country.
If you're doing your dissertation at the university, and your project supervisors will try and help you and they'll work together to try and help you. Some of the staff speak different languages, so we have multilingual support, so we can try and speak to you in French.
And that's what we do in this business school. We give people an education that they can go out and deploy immediately and be useful to an employer immediately.